Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is KJ Megawtaviani, and today I'm gonna explain midterm exam assignment about computer and what inside the computer. The first assignment is I'm gonna explain about computer. This is the subject that I'm gonna discuss about. What is computer? A computer is an electronic device that manipulates information or data. It has the ability to store, retrieve, and process data. You may already know that you can use a computer to type documents, send email, play games, and browse the web. You can also use it to edit or create spreadsheet, presentation, and even videos. This is a general definition of computer. The general definition of computer is an electronic device with many functions that can satisfy its user. In the Big Indonesian Dictionary or KBBI, the definition of computer is that it can be used to calculate, process data according to instruction, provide results, and run multimedia system. And this is the other definition of computer. The second subject is understanding computer according to expert. According to Shelley in 2011, a computer is an electronic machine which operates under the control of instructions stored in memory, which can receive data, manipulate database on certain rules, produce output, and save the result for future use. Computer classified into 7 groups, namely personal computer, mobile computers, and mobile device, game console, several mainframes, supercomputer, and so on embedded computer. And according to Arifin in 2010, hardware is a computer supporting electronic device are divided into 4 groups of unit of device, namely input device, processing device, storage device, and output device. The third subject is what is hardware and software. This is the difference between hardware and software. Hardware is a computer component that has a physically structure such as keyboard or mouse. Apart from that, hardware also includes all internal components of the computer, which you can see in motherboard. Software is a group of instruction or command that assign or give command to hardware about what to do and how to do it. Example of software include web browser, games, and word processor. And the fourth subject is what are the different types of computer. When most people hear a word computer, they think of a personal computer such as desktop or laptop. However, computers come in many shapes and sizes, and they perform many different functions in our daily life. When you withdraw cash with an ATM, scan grocery at the store, or use a calculator, you're using a type of computer. This is a different type of computer. This is a definition of desktop computer. This is definition of laptop computer. This is definition of tablet computer. And this is definition of server. And this is a picture of different types of computer. This is the picture of desktop computer. This is a picture of laptop computer. This is a picture of tablet computer. And this is a picture of server. The second subject I'm gonna discuss is inside the computer. Have you ever looked inside the computer case or seen picture of the inside one? The small parts may look complicated, but the inside of computer case isn't really all that mysterious. The lesson will help you master some of the basic terminology and understand a bit more about what goes on inside a computer. This following are some example of what is on computer. The first one is motherboard. Motherboard is a computer main circuit board. It's a thin plate that holds the CPU memory connector for the hard drive and optical drive, expansion card to control the video and audio, and connection to your computer ports. The motherboard connects directly or indirectly to every part of the computer. The second one is CPU or processor. The central processing unit or CPU, also called a processor, is located inside the computer case on the motherboard. It is sometimes called the brain of the computer, and its job is to carry out command. Whenever you press the key, click the mouse, or start an application, you're sending instruction to the CPU. The third one is RAM, or random access memory. This short-term memory disappears when the computer is turned off. If you're working on the document, spreadsheet, or other type of file, you will need to save it to avoid losing it. When you save a file, the data is written to the hard drive, which acts the long-term storage. And this is a hard drive. The hard drive is where your software, document, and other files are stored. The hard drive is long-term storage, which means the data is still safe even if you turn the computer off or unplug it. When you run a program or open a file, the computer copies some of the data from the hard drive onto the RAM. When you save a file, the data is copied back to the hard drive. The faster the hard drive, the faster your computer can start up and load programs. And the last one is power supply unit. The power supply unit in a computer converts the power from the wall outlet to the type of power needed by the computer. It sends power through cables to the motherboard and other components. And this is my explanation about computer and inside the computer. Thank you.